Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to check laptop specs on Windows 10 so you can quickly find important information about your system. Step 1. Click on the search button on the taskbar, which is located at the bottom of your screen next to the Start menu. This search box helps you quickly find built-in Windows tools without opening multiple menus. Step 2. Type system information into the search box. This tool is built into Windows 10 and provides detailed hardware and software information about your laptop. Step 3. Click on System Information from the search results to open it. Once it opens, you'll be taken to a window that shows a complete overview of your system. Step 4. Click on System Summary to view basic system details like your processor, installed memory, and system model. This section is useful when you need quick specs for troubleshooting or software compatibility. Step 5. Click the plus icon next to Components on the left panel to expand more hardware options. This section lets you explore detailed information about different parts of your laptop. Step 6. Click on Display to check graphics card information such as the GPU name and display details. This is especially important for gaming, video editing, or graphics-related tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.